Welcome loves to my YouTube channel. My name is VassaOlga. In today's video, you can guess we're recreating Turkish Delight makeup tutorial. This is a special request for my very good subscriber that is sharing comments and support me all the time and requested this makeup look in particular, which I'm super grateful for because it turned out to be super pretty and extremely sexy, I'd say. So what do you think, guys? Glowy skin. I love it. So a shout out to Aileen S or Alan S. I'm so sorry if I mispronounce it, but I do think it's Aileen for all the support. Finally, I want to show you the look. I don't really want to bore you anymore with the details and information. Let's dive into this tutorial. Okay, I'm going to get started with hydration, as I always do. I don't want to specify any of the product because, well, I do this every single time. AHA toner, this is Korean brand, then Nivea aftershave lotion. You can use any lotion that you prefer. And then sun cream. This is again Korean brand. Lebelage High Protection Extreme Sun Cream. SPF 50++, PA 3+. For foundation, I think we should probably match the skin tone pretty well because I saw a lot of different YouTubers and TikTokers showing their routine and they're using darker color. Why do you need this? If you really want to wear this makeup look, just use foundation that you regularly use and it's gonna look perfect. Today I'm gonna be going with my Wet n Wild tinted hydrator. It is a little bit orangey. I'm gonna add a little bit of the purple just to make sure that it's not extremely orange, and a little bit of a green from the same contour palette. I'm going to use my fluffy brush to transfer my foundation. If you watched one of my previous videos, you saw a tutorial how to transform your makeup from dull to glowy and fresh. We're going to be doing pretty much similar routine today. I want to add some warmth with a bronzer. This is a contour stick from Makeup Revolution. Let's pick this on my brush first. Just patting. Nothing crazy, just a little bit of color. And they have pretty brightening concealers in this spot. So that's why I'm going with my L.A.Girl PRO.conceal color fairest. So let's go with my Sephora Best Skin Ever in this spot. I'm gonna go with my Beauty Blender first. You can use your own fingers to place concealer underneath your eyes or use Beauty Blender. I love my fingers because it's given a little bit more brightness. Just smooth everything out with a Beauty Blender underneath. Catrice All Matte Shine Control Powder. This is banana shade. And I've noticed a huge difference if I use my powder with a makeup puff. It gets a lot of powder. Yeah, it sets everything in place, but eventually in a couple of hours, I have a lot of creasing in this area in particular. That is the main reason why I'm doing my regular routine as I used to do before my Tranquil puffs. I have big and fluffy brush. I use my banana shade powder, tap it off, and lightly set the rest of my foundation. I have e.l.f. contour palette and I have really soft beige color. I think this one is going to be perfect for this part of my forehead, and I'm focusing this in the outer perimeter and I'm leaving more than the center of the forehead. It's just like a lot of the color going out to my forehead. I'm going to be doing a little bit of the same color because it's super soft in this area to set my face a little bit, and I'm doing circular motions, lightly touching my face with a brush. As for nose contour, I'm going to do cool tone brown and my angle brush. Super thin, sharp, and that is the main reason why we're creating this line really close to my nose bridge. Blend this out with the same brush, but do not bring this further. If we're talking about the side of the nose, it's really close to the nose bridge, but do not bring this further because it's going to look super wide and bulky. Now let's do my blush. I need this color, and I'm not going to mix it with this one. I need just pink color. Get this on the back of the hand first. I don't really want to bring this close to the apples of the cheeks, but I don't really want to bring this up. It's somewhere in between. And finally, I'm going to show you this cool trick that I did in the previous video, and you can skip the video and just stay with me here. I have the same e.l.f. contour palette. This is a highlighter shade, extremely dull color. This is not given pigment. This is not given highlighter. It's almost invisible. The reflection is not there. That's why we're going to go with my highlighter brush and this highlighter. And we're placing this all over the face. And there's a little bit of reflection in these areas. I have my Wet n Wild rainbow highlighter. Let me tap it off and get this highlighter in this area. Let me go back to the same angle brush that I used to do my nose contour. Let's go with a highlighter. in this area over my nose bridge. This way, we're gonna create this illusion of a thin nose and drag attention to the nose bridge. I will go with a fixing spray on top of my face. This is Essence, by the way. I'm using my beauty blender to set everything in place. I'm going to the same Makeup Revolution Camouflage Corrector palette. The shade I'm going to create is this Coloricon felt lipstick, super pigmented and super bright. And I want to mix it with this really nice peachy contour shade. Use your beauty blender and get this color in the center. A little bit of highlighter from the same palette. I'm placing this on top of the previous spots for some extra glow. And while my face is a little bit wet, with the same Wet n Wild rainbow highlighter, I'm going to tap up a little bit of this shade and go over same spots. I have eyebrow pencil. This one is from Essence. 05 Blonde. A little bit higher than I usually would do. And curve out my brow. It's going to be pretty thin. Let's fill in with the same pencil. I'm using my brow mascara. This one is from Berlin, but any brow mascara is going to be perfect. I used to apply Essence brow mascara and it was great. Last but not least is NYX Lift and Snatch brow pencil. I'm going to use my NYX eyeshadow primer. I want to set my eyeshadow primer with a color that is going to be white or maybe baby pink shade. And tap the whole lid. It's a little bit different brush. It can be pointy brush, it can be crease brush, whatever you have. By the way, it's totally optional. You can work with those cool tone shades or use the same color we used to contour nose and this cool tone brown shade. I'm gonna get it in the outer corner. Creating the triangular shape in the outer corner. You can go on top, underneath your brow. This shimmers from James Charles Shade palette. I can add in this area with my own finger or use any white shimmers. Let's use the same highlighter, Wet n Wild highlighter, in the inner corner and over my brow bone. I have to create a beautiful black eyeliner. I have Makeup Forever. It has to be more or less flat and pretty thin. And then we're going to prolong the line in this area. So let's follow the natural shape of my eye. I think it's a little bit risky to use black eyeliner underneath. That is the main reason why I'm going with my black eyeshadows first. We're doing another flat line, but right underneath my lashes. I'll start from the middle section. It's going to be a guideline. I'll wing this out. We're going back with the same color. We can finally go with the same Makeup Forever eyeliner that I used for my top line and add a little bit more dimension in this area. Frankly speaking, I don't really have any falsies that you can put on top of the bottom line. I want to smudge out the top, just prolong it a little bit further. Okay, it's pretty successful. With my eyeliner, I want to try to create an illusion of lashes. Tiny lines. White eye pencil over my waterline. I need my loose powder. Essence I Love Crazy Volume Mascara. Perfect falsies are going to be from BH. Okay, we're gonna wipe off any leftovers. It's always given the impression that they have pretty natural lip color, almost the same color as their natural lip shade, and then they do a contour every single time. Contour is crucial for this type of makeup looks, as I can tell from the photos. I want to use a little bit of lip balm, and I have two different lipsticks. The first one is from Eveline, and the second one is actually from Eveline, or Aveline. The color is Beach Sensation 15. It is peachy tone lipstick, and the second one is Dream Pink 19. I want to do a combination of both. I'm gonna add a little bit more this brown lip pencil to add a little bit more depth to my lip contour. Okay guys, this is the final result. This is my Turkish Delight interpretation of a look. And one more time, I want to thank Eileen, or Eileen S, for suggesting this look. Love everything. I love the blush. I love this really soft lip transformation. I love the glowy, dewy skin. I would probably give it a try maybe next time with a little bit different colors, and I wouldn't probably add falsies, just skip falsies and use something that I have now. something like a reversed eyeliner before a reversed eyeliner was created. Love you all so much. Again, thank you so much for suggesting this video. And I'm gonna see you next time. Bye-bye.